Overcoming challenges in modern education. Education is one of the most important powerful tools we have to shape our future. But let's be honest, learning today isn't easy. The path to success is filled with obstacles from sleepless nights to overwhelming expectations. Today, I want to share my thoughts on how we can navigate and overcome these challenges in modern education. First, let's talk about the struggles many of us face. The constant juggling of academic tasks, extracurricular activities, and personal responsibilities can sometimes feel impossible. And let's not forget the stress brought by exams, deadlines, and the pressure to perform well. For example, I remember preparing for a major exam this semester. It felt like everything was piling up: assignments, group projects, and the expectation to excel. I'm sure many of you can relate. But challenges aren't meant to defeat us. They're opportunities to grow. One strategy that has helped me is time management. Creating a schedule and prioritizing tasks can make a huge difference. Start with the most important task and tackle them one at a time. Another essential factor is seeking help. Seeking help. Don't be afraid to ask your peers, teachers, or even family for guidance. Remember, education isn't a solo journey. It's a collaborative effort. Lastly, take care of yourself. Breaks are important whether it's going for a walk, listening to music, or simply resting. These moments recharge us and boost productivity. While solutions help, the most crucial aspect is resilience. Every challenge you face teaches you something valuable. Struggling with a difficult subject builds perseverance. Managing your time prepares you for future responsibilities. Think of challenges as stepping stones. Each steps bring you closer to becoming the best version of yourself. Education is a journey, and every challenge we face is a lesson in disguise. It's not about avoiding difficulties, but about learning to rise about them. So I encourage all of you, don't let the challenges discourage you. Embrace them and remember that they are shaping you into stronger, wiser individuals. Thank you for listening and I wish you all success in your educational journey. Together, we can overcome anything.